Hello, hello, hello. How we doing, guys? What is going on today, eh? Absolutely mental pre-market. Hope you're all doing well. Anyone made any money this morning? Absolutely mental move. Anyone know what's actually going on? 290 points up in the last hour and 25 minutes. It's almost hit my long target for the day. We haven't even opened yet. So it's Friday. End of the week. No news to worry about, I don't think. Yeah, no news to worry about. News unemployment. How did you not catch the break at the 320? I don't know, it must have slipped my mind, mate, to be honest. I didn't even notice it until it was halfway up here. Just thought I'd have a look, see what's going on, and blew my socks off. Made 500. Oh, happy days on 2 express funding accounts. Could have been 10k. Bloody hell. Fair play, mate. Oh, that's good though, isn't it? Locked in some money early in the morning. I'm long from 228. Oh, mate, you're bloody laughing, didn't you? So you basically bought the low of the day. Fair play. My bad, no, no. Yeah, I couldn't see it. But it was at what, 1 PM, wasn't it? Obviously 8 AM, but yeah, 1 PM my time. Yeah, I just couldn't figure out. I didn't know if Trump was running his mouth or they go, that's my price target hit for the for the day. 2 minutes before we open. So the only other target I've got in mind for longs is up here. Really. So I mean we could reverse here potentially. But if we do continue to push up, this is my goal. This is my target. 900. But yeah. We'll see. But yeah, absolutely mental this morning. Short that bitch. But yeah, I think if it's gonna reverse, it's gonna be around here, innit? And we're at the right level for the open. But yeah, it's just that's a mad push up. Morning, Leonardo. Yesterday, candle form and hammer on the downtrend line. Yes, I did think that, and then today's just trapped everyone. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Blasted through that, innit? Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm unsure, to be honest. Let's run the poll and see what everyone is thinking. Sorry, the joke is so poor today. By the way, I was struggling to find a decent one. Right, the poll's up. Let me know what you're thinking for the session. I'm honestly not sure what I'm thinking. I'm gonna go short, to be honest. Am I gonna go short? I don't know. I can't call it. It's not. I'd like to say yeah, short off this this level here and retrace that whole move. But then it's a large move for it to yeah, I don't know. Just feel like we could continue up. I should have put a I don't know answer, shouldn't I? 50-50 at the minute. Yeah, everyone's as unsure as I am. Yeah, I can't call it today. How you doing, Ward, mate? Hope you're well. Find resistance to that daily on ES currently, but all other levels sliced. Yeah, I'd say. He's going to push down in the open, and yeah, that's what we're getting. Made 53% this week. How are you doing? Definitely not 53%. I am, for the week, $120 up. That's over all 3 accounts as well. So basically break even. New York Open loves to reverse. I'm short too. Fair play. Yeah, I mean my level might have been an ideal place to short it, but my balls aren't big enough, unfortunately. Take along from 493. Do you reckon? Yeah. Be sort of midpoint, wouldn't it, of that range? Be reasonable to get a pullback to there and then a continuation. How you doing, Nature? Rather you have a small problem that your losers are bigger than your winners. Yeah. It's a January problem though. It's not normally a problem. Normally it's not too bad. I have it's because I take half the trade off at 1R. And then every sort of once a week I get a runner play out, which means I get a sort of big payoff. But I haven't had a runner play out in a while. December wasn't amazing. I was only about 500 up for December. And then yeah, January has been a struggle. But I'm putting it down to just January price action and hoping things should be back to normal from Feb. We were trading journal last night. Oh, fair play, mate. I hope it helps you out. All good, mate. Down 500 on my main account, about 1,500 on Fresh Combine. Oh, fair play, mate. Done for the day, just watching the Open. Hope you're well. Yes, I'm good, mate. Yeah, it's been an interesting morning so far, isn't it? Looking at the ES as well, if it doesn't start dropping the NQ, it'll probably start going up. Okay. I haven't even looked at the ES today. Yeah, we're getting a bit of a drop, haven't we? But you know, the feeling of wanting to pass in one day using max contracts and risking 400-500. Yeah. Always regret when a loser occurs. Yeah. It's the only trouble with trying to rush it. You sorry, you know the you up your risk. That'll be the day that you have a loss. Stay patient and be wise. Yeah, good shout. Yeah, I always think, what's the worst possible situation that's going to happen? And yeah, if you up your risk, that's the worst situation that's going to happen. Is you'll have a couple of losses in a row. You've got to account for that and be ready for it. Because yeah, it's going to happen. Bound to happen. Sod's law, innit? I was going to say a fairly tame Open, but it's probably actually quite a big move, isn't it? Yeah, 100 points. Yeah, all the time we're above the email in the 15-minute. I want to be long bias. Obviously, I want to see us get above the email in the 1 minute before I'm even considering it. We're definitely in a downtrend for the minute. Yeah, continue to push them down. Got my Hugh Hefner robe on again today. Bit chilly in here. Is Hugh Hefner dead? Oh, he died a couple of years ago. Oh. Sure, this on the NQ after seeing the reaction from ES would have held longer, but damn consistency rule. Yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the consistency rule. But it's not worth going over it. Means you got to work harder later on, ain't you? So. Well, level definitely played out quite nicely today, didn't it? Wag Chapo says long from 493. Where was 493? Are we there yet? We're approaching it. You're gonna put your money where your mouth is. That's the question. Are you gonna long it? Just tapping the EMA on the 5 minute. My first combo hit 3,500 first day, and I thought I'd passed easy. The next day I had to make another 3 grand. Oh, gutted. That's a situation where you haven't read the small print. No, it's not that it's a silly rule, but it's just not one that you necessarily realize and think of. You don't really sort of realize making too much money can be a problem. Strong bearish momentum, yeah. Yeah, I'm not one to I want to see some form of confirmation before I'm looking to go long. Squeeze out the gamblers and luckies. Yeah, it's a great rule for trading. But yeah, poor I shot the next day. But that's it. Like I said, it's not that it's a bad rule, but it's just not one that you you sort of can. It's easy to miss, I think, especially as a newcomer. Oh, I never ended the poll, did I? Oh, you've all changed your mind to short now. Yeah, 58% are going short or think it's short. 35% long. 5% short. Yeah, if I get in a long trade, I will I don't think I'll be setting my sights very far, especially on a Friday. How you getting on with the strategy hunt, mate? I haven't really got anywhere, to be honest. Where I've been focusing on setting the Discord up this week. I've been reading obviously lots of people's comments and stuff. But was it you that was sending me the volume levels on Discord this morning. I feel like that's what I'm leaning towards, but I haven't done any kind of looking into it really yet to confirm that or not. Obviously, whatever I'm gonna have a look at everything and see what tickles my fancy the most, and then sort of spend a bit of time delving a bit deeper into it, see if it's something I want to put some real time into. Yeah, mate, that's me. Yeah, all it was. It's difficult because everyone's got a different name on Discord than what they do in the chat, so I'm struggling to pair everyone up. Do you know what I mean? Super day for me, up 3.5k on 3 Express funding accounts. Yes, golden NQ. Lock on that out, defo. Yeah, lock it out. Enjoy your weekend. Fair play, Nathan. Well done, mate. Yeah, completely agree. Demo first, yeah. But it's one of them things that obviously once I've settled on something, I'm probably going to spend a couple of months hitting it hard, solidly. Do you know what I mean? Every day. So but I also want to be sure that's what I want to spend a couple of months doing first. Do you know what I mean? So I'll spend a couple of days looking at a few different ones and seeing what stands out the most to me. That will sort of suit me the best. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, no, the volume profiles and stuff is definitely a contender. But yeah, I think I'm going to do like really sort of document the journey of learning it, and make it like a long form video, maybe like a 20-minute video or something, and of the journey of over a couple of months of learning it, and maybe I'll pick up a combine or something when I've feel like I've got it, and try and pass a combine with it, with that alone. Do you know what I mean? I won't be training it live for a while, like live streaming, I mean. Buy or sell? I'm unsure, mate, to be honest. If we get nicely above the EMA in the 1 minute, I'll might look for a long. But yes, sitting on my hands for a minute. What are we talking about? Switching strats? Not switching, just learning something extra. Do you know what I mean? Having something extra up my sleeve, because I'm a bit of a one-trick pony at the minute. Do you know what I mean? If what I'm doing now suddenly stops working, I don't really have anything else to fall back on. So I want to have another strategy or two, or another couple of entry techniques or something up my sleeve that I can dabble in as well as this. Do you know what I mean? But no, I'm not planning on stopping what I'm doing now. I do enjoy it. Works well for me. Been a bit obviously rough in January, but I think that's just because it's January. Fortnite wasn't. Fire was nice. Yeah, I bet, mate. Oh yeah, it was, wasn't it? Who said that? It was Wag, wasn't it? 492, 493. Yeah, spot on. Good call, Wag. PD high sitting at 21,567. Should be a good place for further rejection if it lines up with your. Okay, 21,567. Yeah, I'm not. What are you on about for shorting? I mean, my setup's there, but I like to see the 15-minute below if I was looking for shorts, which is a bit ridiculous, I know, because obviously we're so far above it. But yeah, if I was going to be taking it, I would have taken it right now. Be in. Yeah, one of my criteria is to be below the EMA on the 15-minute to look for a short. Oh, the outside, yeah, a bit of a decision area, yeah. You're probably better off adjusting size into market conditions and volume as opposed to add another criteria. Yeah, which I mean, I'll do that anyway. Like I've scaled down this week, just because last week was a bit naff. I'm gonna be scaled down for the next week or so, probably until at least Feb. But it's more about obviously what I do now is just very mechanical. And it literally only works on one instrument at a certain time of day. So there's like no other windows for it to be working. Do you know what I mean? So it could quite easily just stop working, and that's all it is. I just don't want to be on the end of that, because I'd end up taking loss after loss for a few months until I decide that it's not working anymore, and then I'd have to then learn something else. And so you're talking like what, 6 months out of the game basically. Yeah, it'd have almost hit my take profit if I'd taken this. But internal light, I do get what you mean. Obviously, it's not great to be trying to trade two different strategies, I think, at the same time. So I do get what you mean. I'll be very conscious to not let it distract me. I think starting off, especially learning it, I'll be probably practicing on the London session and keeping it completely separate. Do you know what I mean? Because yeah, hopefully ideally whatever I'm learning new will work over any session, so it's more flexible, more options. Ideally it'll work on any market. Yeah, no, I do get what you mean. I've been in that position before where I'm looking at multiple strategies, and then one strategy would tell me one thing and the other strategy would tell me the opposite. So it's that's not an ideal situation to be in. So I do get what you mean. But yeah, but I'll have to just play it by ear and take it a step at a time. And if it starts distracting me, maybe then I'll think again. But yeah, I'm going to keep them separate sessions to start off with. Trainers really felt like that. I guess it makes it fun. Yeah. But yeah, there's nothing worse than being in that situation where one strategy is telling you one thing and the other one, yeah. Then what do? Do you know what I mean? And you know whatever one you pick is going to be the wrong decision. There you go. That'd have been a winner. It's like going hunting and seeing 1,000 geese fly over. Which one do you shoot? That's a brilliant analogy. I like that. You just aim for the middle and hope for the best, don't you? Just it's 25 points off that high. Happy days. Well done, J1. Yeah, always magically pick up the wrong one, yeah. Yeah, it's just sod's law. Yeah, if I had taken that trade, that would have been a small win, because I'd have been, my stop loss would have been hit a break even there. could be flipping this level now. Going along on 524. Pray for me, mate. I'm praying, mate. I think you'll be right, to be honest. Funny enough, the only strat that I'm aware of that consistently works are negative RR strats. Yeah, I think 1-to-1s are good. Especially like scalping, I think 1-to-1 is but it's difficult to make work. You just gotta have a high win rate, in you, basically. My win rate typically sits around 70%. It was last year. It's more around like 50%, I think, this year so far. Already out. Unluckily, Nardo. I thought you'd be alright, mate, to be honest, but just one more sweep, wouldn't it? Possibly. That's that PD high touch. Yeah, I thought it was where did you say it was? 560. Thought it was a bit lower than that. 567. Yeah, spot on. I thought it was around here for some reason. That's why I said Leonardo might be right, because I thought it was going to flip it. For a personal friend that has negative RR strat and needs to be bearing out 4 or 5 figures, pay up, fair play. Meanwhile, my dumbass trying to do it the regular way and suffering. Yeah. I think any RR can make work. But yeah, I mean, I was always used to sort of target, oh, it's got to be 2-to-1 minimum. But yeah, the higher that your RR is, the lower your win rate goes. That's how it works. So yeah, that's what I found. What I'm doing now works well, because I target a 1R and then move to break even, and then leave the other half to run, and then I might get a 1-to-3 sort of once, maybe twice a week if I'm lucky, which just helps that buffer zone. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, with a win rate of 70% last year, I was doing banging. Yeah, I think the less time you're open to the markets, the less risk you're taking on, isn't you, really? The longer you leave a trade open, I find the more chance you're going to get stopped out. £30 in the Nasdaq is a lot of points. That's all I need every day. Yeah. Yeah, you can do very well off 30 points. Quick 200 ticks. Yeah, lovely. I think that's the way to play those levels, isn't it, Warders? Quick in and out. Ward, do you play runners when you use these levels? Did you literally take the whole trade off at like a 1 hour or something? I couldn't make a negative RR work. It was all fine, and then one session lose. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the trouble with them. It's a couple of losses and it really eats into your profits. I mean, technically, mine is possibly classed as a negative risk to reward, isn't it, I suppose, because obviously I'm taking a full 1 risk, then taking half off, and then if I then get stopped out of break even, it's only a 0.5, isn't it, really? But I sort of go off of my average, which includes my runners as well. to get it up for last year, because I can't remember what it was off the top of my head. So my average risk to reward last year for this strategy was 1.56 with a win rate of 69%. So although I'm taking 0.5s more times, quite often I end up getting a 3-to-1 every now and again, do you know what I mean? Which drags the average up. If level cuts through it, usually acts as support or resistance on the next cut. A wait and move, stop loss to 1-1, and 1-2, and so on. Chase it down. So at least take 1-1. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'll get you. So you'd be doing it right now if you was holding, wouldn't you? Yeah, I'm sure, Eternal Light, I'm sure when I pass my combines, I can't remember what it was running. I don't think I'll be able to go back and look now. I don't think I've got it. I'm sure that was maybe around like 35-40% win rate. But I was sort of taking 1 to 3s, do you know what I mean? I might be able to say what my win rate was. Yeah, my average win rate, so this is over 3 months that I was doing my when I passed my combines doing an ICT strategy was 55% win rate. And that was 40% in February, 75% in March, and 50% in April. But that's literally 4 to 6 trades a month, you know what I mean? Yes, I prefer a high win rate strategy because it gives you more of like a morale boost. You feel more confident about it because you're not taking many losses and you see more green days and you do red days, and that just generally boosts your confidence, and you need confidence to be taking trades, don't you? Huge 1 hour wick. This will drop all the way today. Oh, ugly 1 hour candle. Nice and short. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, horrible wick. Right off that level that I marked out. Have you used Traderify? No, I haven't, mate. Literally says that to the tick that PD high. Could have risked $10 and be out 1,500 men to win it. Not like you'd have ever had a $10 stop loss. And if you're thinking about new strategies, I recommend you looking into fib retracements. You set up a fixed stop loss based on the size of the market. Is that what you trade, is it, Leonardo? I've heard you mention him a few times. You have decent success with them, do you? better for prop trading as well. I do FX. If I use 1% risk, that gives me like 8-9 trades taken into consideration. Yeah. Yeah, low win rate. Yeah, you will just get eaten alive, wouldn't you? Yeah, today I took 2 longs on the 50% retracement of this move up. Ah, fair play. So that war, cheers, mate. Just stopping by. I'll see you next week if you're around. Enjoy your weekend. I'll do that 3 to 5 trades a day. Okay. Is that like all day, is it, or is that just over one session? I'd only really wanted to take trades sort of 1, maybe 2 sessions a day. Why don't you trade ICT models anymore? Oh, mate, I just couldn't make it work anymore. The ICT strategy I was doing, which was just a divergent strategy, was what helped me pass my combines. That's the strategy I was using when I was doing my combines. But as soon as I passed, it didn't work anymore. It's not that it didn't work. Obviously, it was me. I couldn't make it work anymore. For whatever reason, it must have been an emotional thing, maybe, because it was now real money. But yeah, I spent about 2 months having loss after loss, trading sideways and slowly going into drawdown. Before I eventually sort of took a bit of a break and gathered myself and yeah, come up with what I'm doing now, which I generally enjoy it more than ICT. Mechanical, I don't have to think about it, and I just action what the market's doing. Do you know what I mean? Action my rules. You didn't take my trade. No, I didn't. Did you take it? You'd it'd been a nice little trade, mate. Fair play if you did. Pretty much to the tick, wasn't it? 493, you said, didn't you? Yeah, to the tick. A nice 60-point move off of that. Three to 5 trades on the New York Open session. Okay. First three hours normally. I don't trade on other sessions. Okay. So I'll have to have a look. So I use a fib retracement, but I have my own levels on there. I don't use the actual levels that it comes with normally. Yeah, bro, I think the volume from your stream pushed it. Yeah, you might be right. All 28 of us. Are you still in, or did you take profit? I'm out now. It should have held it. Didn't like the chop. Yeah. It's not been pretty for the last 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm not sure today what it wants to do, to be honest. Have a nice weekend, mate. Done for today. See you later, mate. Cheers for stopping by. Have a good weekend. One thing I feel is that I never see volume when the trader is working in my favour. When it's going against me, all of a sudden it's extremely fast moving. Yeah, that's how it goes, isn't it? It's hunting down your stop loss. That's why. Now, when you're on the better end of it, it's such a feeling. It's banging. When you're on the right side, and you're just watching it drop. Still believe it's just a 1 hour wick till it will drop once it goes up more. Do you reckon, Legion? Yeah, I'm just unsure on the days, to be honest. I am reluctant to get in long because I'm just not overly confident in it. We might get a small move possibly, but it looks like we're about to get my normal setup. But what's going on there? I don't know why Google Sheets does that sometimes. What was it, 17-ish points when it free contract? Oh no, it's invalidated anyway, innit? Yeah, no trade from me. Happy days, it's fun. It's made a decision for me. I wanted it to have respected the EMA and it hasn't, so there's no entry there for me. Yeah, I can't call it. We might end up having a choppy day, you know. Been a bit choppy, obviously, the last half hour, but definitely no news, is there? No. I don't enjoy Fridays anyway. Friday tends to be my worst day normally. I feel like the move is quite often made early before the session even starts, like it was today. Yeah, it can be quite crap action, I feel like, on a Friday. Where's VWAP? What's that doing? Miles away. Chop, 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 innit? It's still a 70-odd point range, though. I think I'm still long bias for the day. I think if we get a nice breakout of this range, we could be looking at longs. But yeah, I want to see it do something first, really. Price action is telling me the buyers are exhausted, don't have the strength to push up further, to be honest. Seller is really strong, to be fair. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to be making any moves before it makes the move itself. You know what I mean? But you could quite possibly be right. But when we're chopping around a certain level, it's going to poised to make a move, isn't it? Which directions are going to go. If we knew that, we'd all be rich. So. No stream for me Monday. I'm just going to give the day a miss. I know we're markets were open in the morning, didn't they? But I'm just going to skip it. Trump will probably be saying lots of stuff. And obviously it's an early close, and yeah, it's not something I want to be a part of, really. Trying to avoid the loss if I can help it. I can't bear days like this. So boring. It's one of those things I don't want to call it a day, because I know as soon as I call it, it'll break out. Anyone got any fun weekend plans? Anyone doing anything exciting? Chilling out, or what am I doing? Working in the mornings. Got my grandma around for dinner in the afternoon tomorrow. But other than that, not doing much. Just having a nice chilled one. Watching the new Severance season. New episode that's come out. I think it's out today, isn't it? I don't know if it's out now or if it comes out at midnight or something. I don't know. I'm still catching up on season 1. Me and the wife have been smashing through it. I think we were on episode 7. Yeah, looking forward to doing that. Yeah, Marcus dead. 400 point up for the open, 200 points down on the open. Gonna call it a day. Yeah, I don't blame you, Leonardo. We could be right. We've made big moves today already, so I always find that as an indication of not much more is going to happen, especially on a Friday. Yeah, have a good weekend, Leonardo, and I'll see you next week if you're around. Enjoy your weekend. 5-minute candles, try and close above the range for a long breakout. Yeah, didn't quite get it, did it? Tried to run in the Discord, but it didn't work. I have to do something. I don't know. I had an issue on day 1, I think, because about 25 people all tried to join at the same time, and it thought it was bots. I think it shot up an error message I had to clear, so that might be why. I'm just trying to get the invite link up for you again, mate, and I'll send it over. Yeah. Oh, it's not even let me copy it. Did work now. Try with other browser. Okay, good. So I can't even send over a link apparently. I think it's gone into streamer mode because I'm streaming, so it won't let me copy a link. Can we have embed perms in the Discord so I can post funny gifts? Yes. No idea how to do that. I'll have a look into it, mate. I'm brand new to Discord, so I don't have a clue what's going on. But yeah, no. I'm gonna write that down quickly. Yeah, I'll figure it out over the weekend, mate, and I'll get it sorted because yeah, we want to be able to have a laugh, don't we? There we go, getting that drop now. So you might be right, Legion. Legion, have you got any targets for a short if you're hoping for a short? Where would your take profit be? We made a triple bottom. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be funny if this doesn't amount to anything, wouldn't it? The way we were going down, I thought we were just going straight past it, but it's like we've bounced again. I blew my combine, but I'm up 1,500 on free Apex. 4,500 today feels fucking great. Good, mate. Good. I'm glad it's ended not too bad for you. Wouldn't take a trade anyways because my setup is non-existent. But for worse, sure, my target would be at least 378. 378. Okay. Yeah, I'd be thinking something similar to be honest. If I was looking to take a short. Yeah, I don't think I want to even bother to be honest. It's not friendly action this. Anyone trying to trade this is just getting fucked over, I think, pretty much. Apex is offering free 50k combines just for testing their new platform, Wildcard. Okay. Didn't even know they had a new platform. I just really don't like Apex. I've never traded with Apex, so I can't really comment. But all the rules that they have just puts me off. And they've changed them in the last 6 months, haven't they, to make it even worse, I think. But I don't know, just when I checked out their rules page, I just got like very overwhelmed with a load of small print, you know what I mean? Remember I told you I quit trading, I just watched you to get my trading fix. Oh yes. When I no longer think about trading. Oh yeah, I remember now. Sorry mate. Yeah, I do remember that. Trouble is watching me entice you back into it. I don't want to be an enabler. On Happy Trader, here's a tip. Wait for a break of the trend line. Then after that, market makes new lows. Wait for free pattern. There's significant. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna sit it out, I think now. Too messy for me. Yeah, I think lower day is possible. But I don't know, I feel like it can just be might just be a choppy afternoon, to be honest. Choppy PM session. There was a vid leaked about Apex CEOs talking about the best way to make it so people with funders didn't get payouts. Bloody hell. I did not know that. Is that still about it, is it? I suppose it'll be on YouTube something, won't it? But that just says it all though, doesn't it? Oh, I'm just getting bloody Apex Legends results. Yeah, they're getting sued right now by an ex-founder. And so someone leaked some of their stuff. Go to the website, put in Discord. Yeah, I'll have a look. Yeah, Apex has never appealed to me. I've just always felt like it's shady. I'm just clicking on the link now. Oh, my. How do I mute? I'll leave this up and I'll check out after I finish the stream because I don't want it to start blaring out. They sued her or something. Sorry, it's not there anymore. Found it in another vid. But yeah, it just goes to show that they are making it hard, aren't they? In the Discord. Read the description of that video. It's sad, isn't it? It's trouble is it's gonna just paint all the prop firms in a blanket bad light in it. The whole industry as a whole, I think. Because the trouble is you don't know what any of them are doing really behind closed doors. But I think when they're with some of the rules that they have, I think it is they are trying to get you to fuck up, aren't they? Like, wasn't it a couple of months ago they had things come out like you can't scale in to a position and scale out of positions or something? I can't remember, but just unnecessary rules, isn't it? But yeah, I'll give that video a watch after I finish the stream, because yeah, that's fucked up. Yeah, I'll be someone. Yeah, no, I'll give that a good look over. But yeah, I've always felt put off by Apex. Just felt like they're shady. So yeah, glad I avoided them. I wonder what all the big streamers are going to do, because they all promote Apex now, don't they? Wonder if they'll all drop it or something, maybe. I don't know. I just put your risk calculator. Oh, fair play, mate. I hope it's beneficial to you. Also, I use it daily because it's saves so much time. Saves me getting the calculator on my phone out. Sleep that's 65. Okay. There was one lawsuit from an affiliate because I didn't pay him. That doesn't surprise me, to be fair. Shady, shady, shady. But I mean, I've always felt relatively safe with Topstep because it's all, I feel like it's relatively transparent. Apex feels like they're trying to get you to trip up. And yeah, Topstep, I feel like they are. It feels like they're on your side, you know what I mean? But obviously, no one really knows, do they? No one knows what goes on behind closed doors. It's difficult. What boring session, man. Chat's made up for it though. Yeah, the only other one that I've heard good things about is Take Profit Trader. I've heard they're right. I'm pretty sure you get like you can get resets on your funded account, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think you can. Which I think is a really good idea. There's a third by Nikki Trades. I think I've seen in my my comments. Is it Nikki FX or something like that? She said she was writing that for me. Recommending it, probably be the better word. But I appreciate that. It's a helpful tool. And I think it helps, especially beginners. I mean, I still use it now, and I've been training for a year and a half. If you're someone who stop loss size, point size regularly changes, it's lifesaver, I think. Feel like paying 1.5k for a reset. Oh, is it? Apex Chief of Staff is barred from the SEC also for misappropriating investors' funds. Bloody hell. Cheers, next level, mate. Yeah, Legion, I didn't realise it was 1.5k. just seen on the website it says we give the opportunity to take a reset, but didn't they obviously don't say anything about it costing money. See that, Legion, mate. Cheers for stopping by. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a day of miss, I think, for trading. It's not a day to be green, I think. Not from now anyway. Pro P's, how can I present my take profit and stop loss and top step? Do you mean the little indicator over here? Long position, short position, is that what you mean? Did you click on the what you're on about, mate? Yes, it costs money. Anyone given resets are funded will be hella expensive. For some reason I just had it in my head that I assumed it was free. You get free resets or something. I don't know why I thought that. Or at least like 50 quid or something. Yeah, 1.5k is mad for a reset. I think take profit trader just moved from intraday to end of day drawdown, did they? Yeah, but how can I see how much money I am going to risk and make? What you do, pal. Obviously, I pull this up, and then obviously you've got your points down the bottom, so it's 39 points. And then obviously you need to work out how much that will cost you per contract. You know what I mean? I have a little chart that I use on the micros. 39 points is one contract is $78, two contracts 156, three contracts 230. Do you know what I mean? Get my point. That's how I do it personally. This is something I set up to help me out because then you sort of know where you stand quite quickly rather than trying to get your calculator out and working it out. I took that long just now. Fair play. Brought it from down here. Nice little long. Trying to get up take profits rules. End of day trading drawdown. It says, yeah, I think that's right then. But I think on the pro accounts, it's intraday drawdown by the looks of it. Still, that's what it says on the website anyway. I might be wrong because they made an announcement about changing it. Pretty sure. Well, yeah, they might not have updated their website. Also, if I'm taking multiple take profits, how are you taking that down in your trade journal? What you mean if you're you mean your risk to reward? Is that what you mean? So like if you obviously like I take off one half at 1R, and then obviously leave a runner. Is that what you mean, mate? What I do, I work out the, I don't know if it's average. Basically, obviously, how do I do it? Obviously, I don't personally, obviously, if I have this set up, obviously this is a 1R, and then my runner goes to, let's say, 1 to 3 or something, I think I take whatever profit I got on the runner and calculate that with my whatever my risk was. Say my risk was $100. So I'll do $100 times. That's what I do. My overall take profit. My overall profit. Sorry, I know I'm going around in circles. My overall profit for the whole trade, let's say, was 200 quid. Obviously, I had risked $100, took $50 profit at 1R, and then made another $150 on the runner. I would work out whatever the overall risk reward. So obviously I was risking $100, so I'd times that by 2, see what that would be. Obviously that'd be 200 reward. Obviously if I had 300 reward, I'd be times by, you know what I mean? I'd work it out that way, work it out from whatever my risk was, and times that by 2 or 2.5 until I get close to my total profit for that trade, and then whatever you've got, that's what I put down normally. Sorry, that's probably explained very poorly. I'm not an explainer. You get what I mean? Sorry, I did a poor job of that. But yeah, basically work out overall the whole trade. Not obviously if half the trade is a runner, I don't just take the full runner as my risk reward. Yeah. It's been so long since I had a runner, I had to remember how I did it. Right, boys and girls, I think I'm going to call it a day there, because I need to go to the shop. Getting Chinese tonight, I think. Buzzing for that. And yeah, nothing's going on here. Take it easy if you're still trading. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Should have my normal week in the life video going live tomorrow, hopefully. I'm gonna have to get up early tomorrow morning to do some editing. But yeah, should be up about 11 AM UK time. But yeah, have a good weekend all, and I'll see you Tuesday. No stream Monday. See you Tuesday. Have a good one.